Hi, welcome to the Moneycomb channel. Today we will share 10 ways you can save money during a recession or just in general. Let's get started. Number 1. Eliminate your debt. If you're trying to save money through budgeting but still carrying a large debt burden, start with the debt. Not convinced? Add up how much you spend servicing your debt each month, and you'll quickly see. Once you're free from paying interest on your debt, that money can easily be put into savings. A personal line of credit is just one option for consolidating debt, so you can better pay it off. Number 2. Make your own lunch. An obvious money-saving tip is finding everyday savings. If buying lunch at work costs $7, but bringing lunch from home costs only $2, then over the course of a year, you can save enough money for an emergency fund, or make a significant contribution to a college plan or retirement fund. Number 3. Energy bills. Lowering the thermostat on your water heater by 10 degrees Fahrenheit can save you between 3 to 5% in energy costs. And installing an on-demand or tankless water heater can deliver up to 30% savings, compared with a standard storage tank water heater. Also, turning the AC up a few degrees or lower your heat a few degrees will certainly have a positive effect on your energy bills. Number 4. Set a savings goal. One of the best ways to save money is by visualizing what you are saving for. If you need motivation, set saving targets along with a timeline to make it easier to save. Want to buy a house in 3 years with a 20% down payment? Now you have a target and know what you will need to save each month to achieve your goal. Number 5. Skip the coffee shop. Instead of spending $5, you can save money by just making your coffee at home. Listen, we're not saying you should only drink instant coffee, unless you're into that sort of thing. But even purchasing a bag of local beans from your neighborhood coffee shop and bring it at home will save you a lot of money in the long run. Number 6. Sell things that you no longer use. Declutter the things in your home that you don't need and are willing to let go of for the sake of your financial future. That vintage chair your aunt gave you. Sell it. That crystal vase you found at an antique shop. Sell it. You'd be surprised at how much clutter you have in your home that you don't even use or think about. And the cash you can make on those things can be the difference between living paycheck to paycheck or not. Number 7. Cancel automatic subscriptions and memberships. Chances are, you're paying for multiple subscriptions like Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, gym memberships, trendy subscription boxes and Amazon Prime. It's time to cancel any subscriptions you don't use that often. And make sure that you turn off auto-renew when you make a purchase. If you cancel it and decide you can't go without it, subscribe again, but only if it fits into your new and improved budget. And for those subscriptions you do want to keep around, think about sharing memberships with some family or friends. A lot of streaming services, like Netflix and Hulu, let you watch your favorite shows from 2 or more screens with an upgraded account. That way, everyone wins and saves. Number 8. Lower your grocery budget. Most people after they do a budget are shocked to find out how much they're actually spending at the grocery store each month. And if you're the average American family of 4, with 2 kids 5 and under, you're probably spending around $928. It's so easy to walk through those aisles, grabbing a bag of Oreos here and a few bags of chips there, and then top it off with the fun goodies at the register. But those little purchases add up quite a bit and end up blowing the budget every single month. Number 9. Wash clothes in cold water. Most detergents work just as well in cold water as they do in hot. Save energy costs and switch to cold when you can. Number 10. Unplug electronics. Standby energy drain is estimated to cost US households $100 per year. Reduce your standby power loads by keeping all electronics plugged into a power strip so that you can easily turn the strip off when not in use to ensure your power is truly off. I hope this video was some help to you. Please be sure to like the video and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.